Carrd is a user-friendly platform that allows you to create simple yet elegant websites quickly and easily, without requiring any coding knowledge. Whether you're building a personal portfolio, a landing page for your business, or an event invitation, Carrd provides intuitive tools to get the job done. Use the link to Carrd in the description so you can follow along and build your own simple website. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with various templates to choose from, or you can start from scratch if you prefer. Let's walk through the process of building a very basic website using Carrd. If you want to start with a pre-designed template, browse through Carrd's selection and pick one that suits your needs. Alternatively, you can begin with a blank canvas. Once you've selected a template or started with a blank canvas, it's time to customize your website. You can easily edit text, images, colors, and fonts using Carrd's drag-and-drop editor. Simply click on the element you want to modify and make your changes. Depending on the purpose of your website, you may want to add different sections such as an About section, services, contact form, etc. Carrd offers various elements like text boxes, images, buttons, forms, and more that you can drag onto your page and customize as needed. After making your changes, it's a good idea to preview your website to see how it looks on different devices. This ensures that your site is responsive and looks great on all screen sizes. Once you're happy with how your website looks, it's time to publish it. Carrd offers various publishing options including a Carrd subdomain or custom domain if you upgrade to a paid plan. Share the link to your newly created website with friends, clients, or anyone else you'd like to reach. You can also integrate with social media platforms for wider exposure. Now, let's take a look at Carrd's pricing plans. Carrd offers a free plan with limited features, including basic templates and hosting on a Carrd subdomain. Carrd's Pro plan unlocks additional features such as custom domains, access to premium templates, advanced form features, and more. Pro Lite plan includes all the features of the Pro plan, plus priority support and the ability to sell up to 100 products per site. Pro Standard plan Carrd's top-tier plan includes all the features of the Pro Lite plan, with increased product limits for e-commerce and VIP support. To get started with Carrd, use the link in the description and build your own website.